Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have r and first derivative of r. So this is about linear differential equations. So I will use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu theta equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that this one next to r, this is for integrating factor. So the integration of this one, we have ln of secant of theta plus tan theta. And this one, we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. And we have like this. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, secant of theta, that is about 1 over cosine theta. Tan theta, that is about sine theta over cosine theta. And now cosine theta multiplied by this one. Next, we need to put integration for the both sides. Next, we need to use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one in here, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have r secant of theta plus tan theta. The integration of number 1, we have theta. The integration of sine theta, we have negative cosine theta. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.